What's going on, guys? It's Andy from Eurolab. In today's discussion, we're going to talk about how you can get into drifting. So today's discussion is how you can get into drifting and at least some of the ways that can make it easier for you. So number one on that list, you're going to want to find something that has a lot of aftermarket support, preferably a manual car. You don't have to do that, but just makes it a lot easier. The main things you're going to want, I'm going to tell you 5 things. You want something with suspension, a limited slip or a welded diff. You're going to need an angle kit for sure. And then seats and a harness help so much because once you're thrown around in the car, you can't really control it. So you got the car, you did the stuff to it, and now you want to do some stuff in it. So you got to find a place to do the stuff, which leads us to number 2. You either need a private drift pad, private property, just a parking lot somewhere you're allowed to do this. Either a skid pad, which a lot of cities are starting to do this to kind of keep, people off the streets doing it. Or number 3 is an actual drift event. You don't need too much to go to that. You can be a beginner. There's different classes, so you're not going to be on the track with anybody else. It'll be just you. Usually they're anywhere from 40 to 80 bucks. It's worth it. It's cheaper than a ticket. Just do it. So if you know how the roll of things go, safety's third. So you're really going to want a good helmet. Some tracks won't even let you race unless you have an up-to-date helmet. Usually that's only competition, but some places are kind of stingy. So, think about it. Use your head. Protect your head. Gloves are a big thing. They help kind of with your sweaty. If you're nervous drifting, get those right off the bat. I didn't have that. I could have. I didn't. Whatever. Fire extinguisher, definitely have a fire extinguisher in your car. You don't want to lose your car to something. Don't get a little dinky fire extinguisher either because that's for small stuff. Number 4, we're going to say, is going to be tires and expenses. You're going to go through a lot of tires. If your car's turboed, you might go through some turbos. It depends. Diffs, axles. There's lots of things that can break in drifting. So be prepared to break some stuff. And number 5, the most important role, and you need to listen to me. This is the most important. Just have fun. All right? Don't be a dick. Have fun. It's a good time. You're going to break stuff. And you're going to break stuff too. And your friends are going to break stuff, but it's fun. So have fun. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Love you long time. Love you long time.